rev it up to about 1500 with your left foot on the brake, and then, ready?
Yeah.
And then go. 75, 80, 90, 100, 110, 125.
You get that head rush.
Yeah. I mean, we're in an SUV right now.
That's the beauty of it.
That's crazy.
This is my second Hennessey vehicle, so I did a Camaro ZL1. I had so much, positive experience from my Camaro that when I got this vehicle, I said, there's so much more they can do with this that there's no question I should bring this vehicle back and do exactly the same thing. There's a warranty on the vehicle, so I don't feel like I'm taking a risk by the tuning. And I think that's a great product attribute when you tune with Hennessey versus doing it with someone else. This is something anybody should consider that really wants to tune their car.